Welcome back to this YouTube channel, my lovely people. Today I'm bringing glad tidings to you from Lakeside Estate, and we are going to be checking out this newly built 4-bedroom house with a very spacious compound. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, please kindly click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell button, and share this video and channel with friends and family. This is the facade of this lovely property. The compound is spacious enough to take up to 6 cars. You can see how spacious this property is. This is the right wing of the property, spacious enough for you to move around. And this is the back wing of this property. You have CCTV camera, electric fence, everything is going to be done for you. And this is the left wing of the property. So you have 2 external taps outside this property, and you can see how spacious once again the compound of this property is. Isn't this beautiful? Now let's go in to check out the interior part of this property. You can see the entrance porch area, beautiful floor tiling, beautiful wall tiling, beautiful painting job with enough spotlights. It comes with a very high quality security door. The lock of this door is a smart lock. You can open with fingerprints. You can use a card and also a PIN code. And welcome to the interior parts of this property. So you have 2 sections over here, the living area section and the dining space area. This is where you will be setting up your TV, your luxury sofas. You can arrange them over here. Big windows for natural light and ventilation, beautiful floor tiling, beautiful POP ceiling. You can use it for your dining space or your waiting area. So this is the visitors' washroom. The WC and every other sanitary waste will be provided. And this is the kitchen. Beautiful wall tiling job has been done. High quality tiles was laid on the floor. The kitchen cabinet is yet to be done. You can see the lovely ceiling, enough lighting option. This is the store attached to the kitchen where you can keep your kitchen utensils and food items. So it's time for us to check out the first bedroom on the ground floor. Beautiful ceiling, beautiful floor tiling, window for natural light and ventilation. This is very spacious enough for you to arrange your bed and also your wardrobe. And this is the washroom, beautiful floor tiling, high quality tiling job was done on the wall. Comes with a window for natural light and ventilation. The sanitary waste is going to be provided. It's time for us to move to the first floor where we'll be checking out the remaining 3 bedrooms. You can see the quality staircase. High quality tiling job was done over here. So welcome to the first floor of this property. So we'll check out room number 1 on the first floor. This is very spacious. Comes with windows, beautiful ceiling, beautiful floor tiling job was done, and this is the washroom. Beautiful floor tiling job was done and beautiful wall tiling. You can take a look once again how spacious the bedroom is. And let's check out the second bedroom on the first floor. This is also spacious. Comes with 2 big windows for natural light and ventilation. Beautiful POP ceiling, beautiful floor tiling job was done, and it also comes en suite. Let's check out the washroom. The sanitary waste is yet to be fixed and they will be provided for you. You can see the beautiful floor tiling job that was done. Beautiful tiling work was done on the wall as well. The POP ceiling and a window for natural light and ventilation. So it's time for us to also move to the master bedroom area, which is the 3rd bedroom, where we'll be seeing the private living area. So you can see once again how spacious the bedroom is. So welcome to the private living area, which is the 2nd living area on this property. This is where you'll be having a nice time with your family without any distraction. It comes with a window and it comes with a big sliding door which grants you access to the balcony of this beautiful property. Let's move into the master bedroom area. This is one of the biggest master bedroom in recent time. When it comes to property at Lakeside Estate, this comes with a very big and spacious master bedroom. Enough windows for natural light and ventilation. Beautiful floor tiling job was done. Beautiful POP ceiling as well. And this is a walk-in closet. This is going to be furnished. And what you're seeing over there is the luxury bathtub that will be fixed in this washroom. Let's check it out. So you can see it's a modern bathtub which will be installed in the master bedroom washroom. Wow, you can see how beautiful the beautiful tiling job on the wall and also on the floor. So you have the shower standing area, you have the luxury bathtub area, and you also have the WC area, and also the bathroom cabinet as well will be provided for you. So this is a luxury washroom, and this property is going for $230,000. This price is negotiable. Payment plan option is also available. This property is 85% completed. If you are ready right away, just get in touch with us with the number shown on your screen. So the walk-in closet the luxury bathtub, the master bedroom, very big, very lovely. So if you are interested in this property, contact us at OLAMOSH Realty and Construction, and we are going to be here to help you to facilitate the purchase of this property. You can book an inspection for you to check it out, and if you are okay, then we can sit down for negotiation. You are free to present your offer and your payment plan option. This is a property I will advise you to put your money on. The asking price is $230,000. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We have a whole lot to share with you when it comes to real estate investment here in Ghana, and very soon beyond Ghana. For those who want to diversify their real estate investments, so you can see how lovely this property is. Spacious living area, high quality security door. So don't forget, once again, share this video, like this video, keep checking this channel on daily basis. We have a whole lot to share with you when it comes to real estate here in Ghana. You can see once again how spacious the compound is. See you some other time.